Do you organize live events? Do you have challenging cabling situations? Are you looking for a professional audio cable replacement strategy? Neutrik proudly offers a new professional wireless solution for point to multi-point audio applications. It works in the 5 GHz range, utilizing 24-bit conversion and 48 kHz sampling to deliver 20 to 20 kHz of uncompressed, studio-quality audio with outstanding radio frequency reliability. Zerum Pro. Eliminate cables, keep pure sound. Zerum Pro helps solve difficult cabling situations at live events. Let's see how the system works. Plug and play is just one benefit to using Zerum Pro. Here's a closer look at the simple installation and basic functions of Zerum Pro.
Hi, my name is Jürgen Bartel, Head of the Device Development at Neutrik AG. We are here at an open-air scenery near to our headquarters in Liechtenstein. Today I would like to show you how easy it is to mount a XIRIUM Pro device at the rack. The only thing you need is a clamp. Fix it and that's it. XIRIUM Pro is built for a very rugged environment and it's waterproof. As you can see, there's just the power button and the link button. Plug and play, that's XIRIUM Pro. Transmitter and receiver of the XIRIUM Pro was built on a modular structure. That means you're able to exchange input signals easily. You can choose between analog, digital and DANT signals. Just pull it out and exchange it. Every module additionally has a power connection for energy, but that's not needed necessarily. XIRIUM Pro works on battery mode for up to 12 hours. Stay tuned and use XIRIUM Pro.
Impressed? We hope so. As you've seen, the transmitter can be installed quickly, but that's only half the equation. Next, we need to add receivers, using this live setup example to send audio signal to the delay speakers. Zerum Pro works in the 5 GHz range, which is a license-free space offering sufficient bandwidth for professional, studio-quality audio transmission at distances beyond 1,000 meters. All Zerum Pro units should be installed to ensure line of sight between devices. In this example, above the crowd. This prevents reflections and avoids phase-canceling effects. Zerum Pro is a robust system incorporating a proprietary correction algorithm, which includes forward error correction and concealment. Every wireless audio system must handle the negative effects caused by reflections. Even true diversity systems are challenged by phase cancellations where adjacent antenna proximity positions are found. Zerum Pro eliminates this concern by offering a repeater which may be placed where required. This extended true diversity feature results in 2 completely individual wave propagation paths. As you can see, Zerum Pro devices offer extremely robust wireless audio transmission. To round out this incredible system, add the Neutrik Zerum Pro app for iPad or Android tablets, which enables system setup optimization and audio stream monitoring. Neutrik created the Zerum Pro app to make installations easier and allow monitoring of Zerum Pro devices. The information displayed on the app provides data beyond the physical interface of Zerum Pro transmitters and receivers. Once the onboarding or mounting of Zerum Pro devices is complete, the setup and configuration may begin. To ensure reliable RF signal connections between Zerum Pro devices, the transmission power of the selected RF channel must be properly adjusted. When the RF level at a receiver stays within the green area of the signal meter, a proper match between devices has been established. The Zerum Pro app displays device information including battery status, channel number, signal level, device grouping, and more. Adjustments to device names, XROC mode, delay mode, and transmission power may be set. Additionally, receivers may easily be paired to a transmitter. Using simple drag and drop actions, receivers may be grouped together or assigned to another transmitter. The Zerum Pro app makes using Zerum Pro devices a breeze. Awesome! But there is more to share about Zerum Pro. Let's look at another setup scenario. Imagine you want to distribute audio from a live event throughout an entire area of a city. The signal can be repeated easily with help of a receiver and an additional transmitter. Since there is no limit to the number of receivers which may be used, the signal may be distributed to numerous speakers. Cabling barriers, such as the body of water shown in this example, can be overcome easily. This eliminates cabling time and costs. In situations where line of sight between Zerum Pro devices is not possible, for example, if an obstacle cannot be avoided, the barrier may be bypassed with the use of a repeater. The repeater also serves as a tool to increase the distance of wireless audio links when required. In single-channel mono setups, XROC mode may be activated, since only one audio channel is required. XROC mode maintains the same audio quality while transmitting at a reduced rate, offering high RF signal integrity in unpredictable RF environments. Still impressed? We hope you've enjoyed this brief journey into the world of Zerum Pro. If you would like to learn how Zerum Pro can work for your unique audio application, please contact Neutrik today. Zerum Pro. Eliminate cables. Keep pure sound.